Right, morning everybody. I've come out to supervise because I don't know what you're doing.
Huh?
What are you doing?
Trying to cut some wire off the bottom of this power harrow.
Oh, because he stabbed himself a few times yesterday. Oh God, he's...
What the hell? I'm going down.
Right, have you got this jacked up? Have you got...
Look, underneath the arms I've got axle stands.
Right, you got axle stands, right? So it shouldn't drop down.
Well, if it does,
We squished.
I'm dead. Now I've got to go underneath here.
What are you doing under there? Where are the wires?
Here.
Oh, there.
Here.
Might not be able to see what he's doing.
I can't see what I'm doing because I need to be
Oh
up,
my
but
gosh.
I can't see.
What is it? Netting?
Yeah.
Why are netting that's gone round?
Looks like it.
Oh dear. Be careful, please.
How?
I don't know.
How do you be careful doing this job?
I don't know.
What I've got to try and do is pull bits of wire out. That I can then cut. Oh, I brought the wrong bloody snips down. No, they won't.
Where are your snips? And I'll go get them.
On the top of the drill here, on the top of the power house.
Oh. Yep.
They're broken any of them.
Can I bring you what? Right, okay. Let's find a spanner for him. Oh, 19 mil, 19 mil. 19. There's not one there. What's that? 18, 17, 16, everything but a 19 inch. Not 19 inch, is that? Can't see if that says that. Oh, that'll have to do. 19 mil. Well, don't know why I said 19 inch. 19 mil. Oh.
Socket. You know that set that
Milwaukee.
Milwaukee set?
Yeah.
Can you bring us that? And can you bring us the half-inch ratchet thing that I just bought? It's in the third drawer down on the back bit of the trolley thing.
So what?
Half-inch ratchet.
Right, okay.
The extendable one. It's a hole through here. That must be very tight.
Right, and you want the Milwaukee stuff? Where's the Milwaukee stuff?
It's on that
Trolley.
trolley as well.
Right, okay. Oh, do you know what? I really don't know which one he wants at half inch, but there's nothing on them that says sizes. So you can have all three. Milwaukee. Right, let's go. I brought all three because I don't know what's a half inch. Well, it doesn't bloody... Yeah, well, it doesn't say, does it? Right.
Can you get me a 19 mil socket out of there and the extension belt? Right, clearly this is half inch.
Right.
The next one down
The middle one
is 3/4.
Yeah.
The other one is quarter.
Right. Well, what do you want? 19 mil. Yeah.
That little extension belt.
Does this just lift out? Where's the extension? Oh.
see it?
Not that. Oh, is it? Right.
That and the socket, thank you.
Right. Okay.
Lose something. Oh, there's a bolt.
Right. So you've got all the wire off.
I've got all the way.
Yeah. Okay. What do you want? What is it you want?
Can you get me? You know the green set, the green ones and sockets?
Yes.
Can you get me that? Because this is too big there to go through.
Right. So what do you want? A 19 mil?
Yeah.
Oh hell! I can't bloody see what's on these. 18. 21. Right. Well, where's the 19 then? For goodness sake, you haven't even put it back. It's not on any of these, is it? No. I'm gonna twang those dogs' asses in a minute. Buddy! Get in here now! Or you're going back in? Just stop it! Yeah, the 19 is missing out of that box. Yes.
Let's go back to the old freaking Timo. Don't tell me it's missing out of there.
18, 19. No, it's here.
Let's go back to the old Timo.
Yeah.
Why is
Mr. Bradley, what are you doing now?
I need a torch, really. I don't know. I might be able to do it without a torch.
What you doing?
Changing these two brushes on here just to.
Oh, do you want a torch?
Because I don't think that the oil in the
Let me get a torch.
thing is good as they should do.
Find a torch. Do you know what? Yeah, it walks off with torches. There's supposed to be some on the bench. So I'll have to have a look in workshop. See, that's what I mean. You don't put things back. Walks off with things, puts it down and can't remember where they are. Yep, got it.
Well,
Well, they're in the house all charged up. So who's the plonker that doesn't bring them out?
me.
So, right. Have you put a new one on?
I've put one on there.
So these
Which
are
will
the...
rub there.
So these... Let me get them out. The... Not able to see. Little brushes on the end. So what's it do? It disperses oil.
Yeah.
So, yeah, it disperses oil in, and then it brushes against the chains, whether you can see where he's putting them. Oop. You need small hands, don't you?
I need more than bloody small hands. I need minute hands.
Do you want my hands? Okay, manage.
Managing just.
Yeah, so these are the knackered ones basically. And he's putting
You can see how short they are.
Yeah. So
if you put them side by side.
not like that. We might. Oh, I don't know if you'll be able to see.
You're not even filling the camera.
There. So it ends there.
That's all it should be.
Yeah, so there should be this length. You might be able to see if I stand them up like that. Yeah, a lot shorter. Ugh, oily. So is there 2 brushes on each?
There is on this one.
Yeah. Do you want my hand?
No.
No, can you manage? My word, there's no choice words coming out of your mouth for a change.
It's done there.
Oh, it's a small one, that one, isn't it?
Yeah. If you have to cut some down, or does it have an adjustment?
I don't know.
Well, that one's alright. I think it's touching the churn there.
Yeah.
So that one's alright. Just that one in there.
So he's just replaced them two.
Any more? Where's one on here? Touching. So that's the main one.
Right, okay.
Is there one on this little churn? Oh, yeah, there is there.
There.
That one's touching as well, so
Right,
that's alright.
okay. Right, they're alright, but we just need to get this guard off.
One of them's even touching it, it's fucking past it. What size is that guard?
I don't know.
Oh, it'll be German size. I bet it's not 17. I'll bring a 17, it'll be 16.
Yeah, probably.
Not 16.
Oh, what will it be then?
It's a 17.
Oh, it's a 17.
Them ones for is when that one wears out or gets to the point, I can cut one down.
Yeah, that's
to go on that.
Yeah, so cut it down because that's only a short one.
Right, let me have a
That's bright. Right.
I want to see what I'm doing here.
Well, yeah. Okay.
Right.
Things I do for you.
And what do I do for you? Sweet FA.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly, sweet FA.
Don't make a mess while I'm doing this. Don't even cover in bloody shit.
I'm helping.
You're hindering.
I'm not hindering. I don't hinder. Oops. At all. I don't know if you'll see what.
Because I've got 5. Stupid, isn't it? It comes with packs of 2. It comes with packs of 5, and this. I'll do the back one
Why is it
first.
coming an odd number, not an even number?
It might blow up when I go in the field.
Don't say things like that.
It might catch fire when I go in the field. And then what do you do? There, look.
That's why we have insurance.
See, look.
Yeah, so
Lovely little brushes on there, buzzing pin.
click you guys, and then I'll show you what I mean. So they're now actually touching.
the chain.
Yeah. Right. That's that single one. Where you're gonna put that somewhere safe, and then you don't know the safe places.
I don't know where my safe place will be.
No. Pardon?
Bring the blower.
Yeah, can you blow me off, please?
Will you blow me off?
No, because you were. It's gone down me bra.
No, I mean not that type of blower.
No. It's disgusting.
Blow me off because I'm covered in it as well. You'll have to take your hat off.
Oh, I can't take my hat
All right,
off.
I'll leave it then.
Stop it! Oh, dear me. I'm covered. Look at me. Go on, do it again. What are you doing? It's blowing it into his mouth.
Huh?
But yeah, the little leaf blower's pretty handy instead of getting the airline out to give
Handy, that.
everything a blast off.
Right, we'll let everything settle for a bit.
It's a bit dusty.
It's hay.
Oh, where's my phone? I did bring my
Have you got your
phone.
drink?
Oh, it's over here.
Don't mind.
Oh, have you? Right.
Right, we'll let that settle a bit. I've greased and oiled and filled the oil thing up. Put another thing of net wrap in it.
Yeah.
Let it settle. Put the brushes on. Set the oil to oil a bit more. I can't do any more with it until we start in the field again.
Right.
And that will be it.
On that note,
That's that bale
that's
already.
the end of the video.
I'll give you that.
So, hope you've enjoyed watching us being idiots. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and we will see you on the next video.
Bye bye.